अक्सर मैं आप सभी को कहता हूँ कि कर दिखाओ कुछ ऐसा कि दुनिया करना चाहे आपके जैसा। मैं हूँ आरजे दुर्गेश फ्रॉम अल्टीमेट क्लास अनुष्ठान। टुडे माय टॉपिक अबाउट मी, अबाउट माय जर्नी, अबाउट माय लाइफ, अबाउट माय कल्चर, अबाउट माय डिग्निटी, atmosphere, confidence, whatever I called it. That's why I choose my topic about me. I'm Durgesh Brahman from Ultimate Class Asta. As you all know that we think in our life that what do we have to become and what do we have to do, because when we born till that day from today, from that day till today, we never thought about ourselves, and earlier we had not thought that what will become, what will do, would we become. But as time passes away, we understand what's our require, what is our purpose, do something different life. But if I talk about me and about my journey, then you will understand what is my vision, what is my dream, my target, my destination, what's my aim, what did I come here, what was the reason behind it. Still I am thinking about myself that I am the person who works hard, thinks about poor, about countries, villages, family members, parents, colleague, bestie, companion, but nobody decline me. They think, what will he become? What is his life? What the hell is he doing? Today I am thinking about myself that whatever in this position I am today here, I am extremely happy here. Earlier I had not thought about myself in coming of time, what would I be? How, where would I be? What was my aim? What I am doing here? Earlier, if I talk about many years ago, I had not thought, I didn't expectation about myself. I didn't expect it about myself. I couldn't believe myself that I will be here today. I would be here today. I must be talking to you. I must be able to talk about what's my vision. Somebody would be thinking about me that how did he become? They think if he can do it, why we can't do it, we can also do it. My vision to do something different for my family members. I never thought myself that I would be here today. But guys, you have to understand, why did I come here? What was my purpose, my vision behind it? Only my parents. Because of my parents, I am here today. Because of my parents, I saw their dedication, their hard work, their consistency, their smart work. My parents, whatever did me, nobody can do it like this forever. My parents, I love my parents. I have good chemistry with my parents. They are well appointed me. Whatever I am doing in Ashta, whatever I am learning, doing, teaching, whatever I am doing, because of my parents, if my parents wouldn't have with me, I wouldn't be here. Guys, understand. Your parents are everything for you. Your parents are the key of success. You have lots of gurus, priests, you have lots of friends, colleague, bestie, you have lots of wife or whatever, but you have only parents in your life with you. Definitely you will change the world. You can change the world. I am the Brahman from Ultimate Class. I want to say to you, Respect your parents, respect their dignity. Proud of feel them. Make them feel proud. Make them happy. Be educated. Be organized. Be educated for your parents. Work hard. In your time, you would help you would be able to help your parents whatever they want to you. Guys, when I was in my village, I had no idea what do I have to do and what had I have done and what did I have to do. I forget. I came in Ashta. I saw my parents in village. They were struggling. They were feeling get defeated, get offended, get untrusted. I thought, get unbothered. The trouble on their shoulder. Nobody was respecting them, but due respect. Somebody laughing in my village. I thought if I have to make them proud feel, I will have to do something different for my village. For my parents, who villagers are speaking bad about my parents in coming up time, they would respect my parents, respect my dignity, whatever they are respecting today. They are saying me, scolding me like Durgesh. I want this. So I'm thinking that in coming time I would become a person who help many peoples, not only most of peoples, but talk, listen their condition and then loom their things and get ready for their condition forever. But today I am thinking about myself. I want to be a successful early. I am thinking whenever I go anywhere, I see, whatever watch in television anywhere, I feel extremely good, profoundly joyous that I can do it today, whatever I do. But I am wasting time, wasting money. I have to save money, I have to save for my parents. Their health is going to be a down. My father's eyes problem, my mother's health issue, financial condition, whatever you are thinking that why are you talking about your parents, this is the reality of this life. You need to understand, you must be able to understand like this. Why I am making this video, because of my parents. I have to do something in coming time. After 5 years, 10 years, if I would become anything else and I saw something different for my parents, they would be happy to see me. And I will bring them in Ashta whenever I go, because my name run by my parents. My name should be run by my parents, and their name must be run by my name. It's my dream. Whatever I'm here doing, anywhere I'm going, because of my parents, I would do something different. My parents, so everybody could listen to me that what did he do, whatever he did was enthusiastic. He had a tremendous atmosphere. He was a gigantic words in his mind. There was a gigantic word in his mind. He developed and he thought about his parents. My parents is everything for me. I consider my parents my Lord. I want to say to you, go temple, consider God, whatever you worship, you consider your deity, devotee, whatever. But first respect your parents, help them, do something different for them. Still I am thinking I have to hard work, I have to learn English, I have to do something different for my parents, I have to learn English, I have to do this work, because those work and these are things whatever you're doing for your parents, you can do and you can do something different in your life. Guys, you need to be able to understand. I'm thinking how to do something. I have to learn English more better than better. I have to be I must be good person. I'm thinking means I will be able to be fluent so that people learn to me. Everybody must come to me. I must be confident. I must do work with consistency, calm, cool, whatever. have to other people, have to be emotional, have to be a mentally good, have to be a physically good, whatever I must be. Because of my parents, I will have to do something different for them, I have to make them proud. In any condition, in every condition, in any course, I will do the great job. Soon I will become whatever I am. Only I have 6 months. I give 6 months to me. Definitely, within 6 months, I will change my parents' life and my life. We will learn skills, computers, English, and teaching style, how to become a good English speaker. I will show the world what's my power, what's my level. I'm thinking, I'm doing in today's, from today's, I have to learn so many things. I should not waste my time, not give to anyone, not talk to anyone. I should give my time to myself, pay attention on my work, so I can change the world. Because Lord Krishna said to Arjuna, if you change yourself, you can change the world, otherwise you will not be able to change the world. Guys, understand? Education is a very important weapon which you will learn from the other, your parents, your teacher, your colleague, your best, your friend, you make friends in anything else, wherever you want to, where from you want to learn, you can learn. I'm thinking, what's my vision? I don't know what's my goal, but my goal is my parents. Today I said my goal is my parents. I have to make them proud feel. I have to see happiness on their face. Because today they are suffering for the trouble, problems, conditions, whatever they have. Have to reduce it. Have to get rid from forever. I have to do something different. I'm still thinking that I'm the interested person. I am enthusiastic things. I'm the courageous person. I'm in the mood of doing something different. For my parents, I can do it. I have the courageous things to do can change the world. Guys, you will have to understand what's your vision for your parents, what do you want to do in life. My parents are everything for me, my family members. In any condition, I will show my talent, my dignity. I will come up my dignity. I will come back, I will bounce back, I will show the Ashtar's people and the talent to the whole world. Despair of the things, I will change all these things. Within 6 months, I give myself. Guys, understand my point? Soon I will be returned. Soon I will be there. Soon would be the Mahankal temple, the mysterious temple of my village. I would return soon, and I will show my talent to some people. They will come together, assemble to me, and they will ask, how did you learn, how did you do all these things? What was the reason behind it? Why did you do it? How did you do it? And what was the reason behind it? That you are working hard. You have been working hard for the long time. You worked hard. What for? What was the purpose behind it? They would ask me in coming of time. I would tell them that what was my reason, the reason behind it. My parents, because of my parents, on the best of my parents, with the help of my parents, I learned so many things here. So guys, you will have to understand it. I'm thinking, I'm learner. I'm still learner. Yet I'm thinking that I'm going to change all these things. I have to learn different things for my parents. I have to help them, serve them, take care of them, look after them. Because my parents are me. They pampered me a lot of things, anything else. They care about me, all these things. So what can I do for them? I can do something different for my parents. I will have to do. I must be able to do. I will have to think about my parents. They are the maestro for me. They are the maestro, they are my mentor, like this, my teacher, my best, anything else. I will have to understand what are my purpose. So guys, I still learn. I'm thinking that I have to learn lots of things. I'm not be able to satisfy myself. I'm not be able to satisfy my work, anything else. Every time I keep on thinking about my parents, I went on blaming me now. I'm not be able to do it. Why I'm not be able to do it? Why I'm wasting time? Why I'm going anywhere? Why I'm not be able to be strict person, why am I emotional person, why am I doing something different, what the hell am I doing? I'm not be able to consider all these things. I'm not talking to someone in English, I must talk in English, I will have to talk to them, I will have to listen lots of English video, I will have to do something different so that people could learn to me, could accept my things, whatever I did, good people could respect me, after my name must be done. How? I will have to do something different. Change my era. whatever I have to do. You will have to understand, guys. Still, I'm hunger for learning, for earning, for respecting, for dignity. Definitely, I will earn in any condition for my parents. Often I say, do something different. World wants to do like you. I'm Ajay Durgesh from Ultimate Class Asta. I want to say to you, do something different. World wants like you. That's all. Thank you very much. I'm Durgesh Brahmbhatt from Ultimate Class Asta.